Alright, we are at the Corbett Hall at the University of Alberta in Edmonton, Alberta. This was a place where I had speech classes when I was a little kid and they have all this series one elevator that I used to play with it. But I got some not so good news about it. You know what you mean? Look at that. They got more. Look at it. It's got modded. New call stations here, a new lantern here, and now we'll take a ride. And look at that. Car is original, which is nice, but look at that. New COP. Let's go down to one. This is kind of similar to the one on the Scenic Montgomery elevators at West Edmonton Mall. The mad fixtures. Here we go. It takes well a long time to well, here we are at one. Now let's go up to 3 and let's listen to the motor. Here we go. Here we are, 3. What a motor! Takes so long to level. See where the original lantern used to be inside? Now let's go back down to 1. Original cab when it was original Otis Series 1. Original doors on the inside and outside, but on the outside doors they used to be white but got painted grey. Taking so long. Wow. We take so ever well here at part 1. Send this up to 2, let's hear the machine. This is the machine room here. Lock it closed, and let's hear the awesome. Now let's go to the other elevator, which is that one, the smaller one, which had a very rapid motor. And I remember when I filmed those back over 10 years ago when they were still original, and I'm glad I filmed them when they were original. But sadly, they have now gotten modernized. These Epic Series. Here's the other one. Yeah, see, same thing. New call station. Let's call it. Here's the machine room for this one here. And here it is. See, same thing. Original cabs and original doors, and what used to be lighting outside now. But let's go up to 3. Let's hear the motor. Well, it was quicker, but that motor is not as active as it used to be. One real one had the more had more, but this one used to have the more. See, new COP pictures, my pictures. Moving forward, and let's hear the more machine. It was, there we go. There you go. Okay. Look at the main thing. There used to be an indicator here, but it's been removed. It's a new call station. And if you look at on the second floor, look at that, they put in a new lantern and indicator, which has not been there. Same one as the other. And a new call station. And right again here we had some Epic Series 1 Otis elevators that unfortunately have got modernized. Other than that, that will be it.